Understanding the word abdication. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're going to dive deep into a fascinating word, abdication. By the end of this video, you'll know what it means, how to use it in sentences, and where it comes from. Let's get started. Abdication is a noun. It means the act of formally giving up or resigning from a position of power or responsibility. Most often, it's used in the context of a monarch or ruler stepping down from their throne. For example, King Edward VIII is famous for his abdication from the British throne. The old CEO's abdication came as a surprise to everyone in the company. Abdication can be split into two parts. Ab, which means away from, and dicit, which relates to declaring or proclaiming. So, in a way, abdication is about declaring oneself away from a particular position or duty. Understanding synonyms can help us grasp the essence of a word better. Here are some synonyms for abdication. Resignation. This is a general term used for anyone stepping down from a job or position. Retirement. This usually indicates stepping down due to age or after a long service. Renunciation. This is a formal rejection of something, not just stepping down from a position. Let's see how this word fits in various sentences. 1. The president's abdication was unexpected and left the nation in shock. 2. The Queen's abdication in favor of her son marked a new era for the kingdom. 3. After years of service, his abdication from the board was met with a standing ovation. And there you have it. We've unraveled the word abdication, from its meaning and roots to its use in everyday language. Next time you come across this term, you'll know exactly what it signifies. I hope this video has been enlightening. Keep exploring and enriching your vocabulary. Until next time, happy learning!